I know you clicked on this video for two reasons. The first reason is that you just saw two beautiful nurses. And the second reason is that you want to find out why that ulcer is not healing. And I'm going to be telling you that with Rumby. Yes, but before we tell you that, I want you to know that the major cause of ulcer is not hunger. Hunger is not a cause of ulcer. Ulcer is usually caused by bacteria known as Helicobacter pylori. Okay, now you know. So now let's take you to the reasons why that ulcer is not healing. So the first one we have to share with you is NSAID, which is non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs.
So NSAIDs, things like ibuprofen, they're good for pain, but it also can irritate your stomach lining.
Then the second one we have to share with you is smoking.
So smoking will actually slow down your blood flow to your stomach and decrease your healing time.
And the third one we have to share with you is alcohol.
Alcohol, it will stress your stomach in my Nigerian accent. So alcohol will actually irritate your stomach lining and cause that ulcer not to heal.
Did you hear stress? That takes us to the fourth point, and that is chronic stress.
So chronic stress like us, not good. It will just slow down your healing.
And let's not forget spicy food.
So spicy food, as much as I like it, stay away when you have an ulcer because it's just going to irritate your stomach lining more and more.
Okay, now you know that. Hope you got value for this video. Bye and see you in our next short video with Rumby.
That was good.
That is a major cause. That's the common cause of ulcer. So you know. So we're going to be telling you 6 reasons why that ulcer is not healing.